In the last few weeks, there have been significant political maneuvering underway in Nigeria as various political parties and political figures have begun to strategize ahead of the 2027 general elections. The 2023 presidential candidate of the Social Democratic Party, SDP, Adebayo, has declared that he will not step down for former Vice President Atiku in the forthcoming 2027 general elections. Adebayo made this known during an appearance on Channels Television's Politics Today on Wednesday, while reacting to growing speculations about a possible opposition coalition ahead of the polls, amid claims that the SDP could be co-opted into a broader alliance to challenge President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Adebayo was emphatic in stating that neither he nor Atiku has the power to use the party. While he acknowledged Atiku's stature and political experience, Adebayo added that the former vice president has not directly reached out regarding coalition talks.
There are those who are also thinking that maybe Atiku Abubakar is going to use your platform. And although which brings the big question whether or not your place, whether you'll be able to get the ticket of the party for the next election on that platform.
As for those who want to join us, everyone is welcome to join us. And I have zero anxiety regarding what will happen at the convention. I intend to run, and I believe that the party will choose the best of whoever contests at that time. So I'm not personally worried about that. But of the party a lot. And
but would you be stepping down for Atiku Abubakar, for example?
No, I will not. And he has not said anybody should stop.
But there are talks that there are those of his friends who are already gravitating. You've seen meeting with Nasir El-Rufai, Atiku Abubakar, and there also, I'm very sure that you have heard that there's a possibility of SDP being used as a platform for the opposition.
Let me say something.
If the PDP is not ready to be used as a vehicle of against the APC in the coming election.
Let me say something clearly. Neither me, Vice President Waziri, Atiku Abubakar, or the other politician can use the SDP. The SDP belongs to Nigerian people. Nobody can use it. What can happen is that people who believe now that the SDP is right and the ideologies are right can come to the party and knowing that the party is open and democratic. You want to come in there and compete because you have the best chance of competing in a system that has not been bought over by anybody. But if you just think that the SDP is something you can use, it cannot be used. What you can do is, I like the SDP, I respect his ideology, I respect the work that has been done by those who are there, I want to join and contribute. That is okay. But if someone is sitting down somewhere, he wants to use something, you are not valued to be used. But if you want to join us, can join us. What is clear, and I must respect Atiku Abubakar. Atiku Abubakar, people are just speaking on his behalf. He knows what he wants to do. He has access to us, and we're not going to need a third party to tell us what he wants to do or all of that. When he wants to join the party, he will come to us and join the party. Until then, we don't discuss him because he appears to know what he's doing. He's highly experienced. He's been running for president for 32 years.
Asked whether he was aware of the coalition being allegedly led by Nasir El-Rufai and Atiku to unseat President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2027. Adebayo said, "All of us want to unseat President Tinubu in 2027. In fact, I want to unseat him more than anyone else." Adebayo criticized the government's performance, citing insecurity and rising poverty across the country. While this has generated mixed reactions online, share your opinion in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more news updates. Keep watching Naija News TV.